I don't want anything to happen to anybody. Believe it or not, yeah, I do. I do. Even though I don't know you, who's ever watching this video, I do care about you because you're still a person. You're still someone. You still have a voice. You are here for a purpose. Hey guys, this is Joetech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be talking about the coronavirus, also known as novel coronavirus. Now, this is just my take on it, but just listen to me for a second, and I want you to please comment below on your thought. If you think I'm correct or partially correct, if this is what you were thinking too, let's start a conversation. No arguing, no bashing, or nothing like that. This is just my thought process. Freedom of speech, baby. I want you to know what I think. Now, in Wuhan, China, they have a laboratory facility where they developed biological warfare, and it inadvertently infected themselves. It has spread across almost the entire world. Almost every country has been infected with this coronavirus. There's three parts to this in my thought process. All right, so now China has created a biological weapon. Okay, fine, we put that aside. Let's go to part B. Part B. Did you know that China RX makes 80% of our drugs? Oh, surprise. So we do this because the generic drug is created by China, which is 80% of what is shipped to the United States. Okay, now part C to this. Hypothetically, China could have put something in our drugs in the past, okay, to prevent a vaccine to work when created. So to really take world dominance, they could have been preparing for world dominance by selling us drugs with some sort of anti-curing agent, anti-curing medication to prevent us from getting better when a vaccine was created. In other words, lowering our immune system on purpose, lowering certain different chemicals that would probably help us survive the coronavirus, so then we can be killed quicker so they can take world dominance. Now, this is just a hypothetical. I'm not saying this is what's happening. This is what happened. But they could have, in preparation to taking world power, since we rely on China RX for medication, 80%, they could have put something in every drug sold to the United States to prevent the coronavirus vaccine to work today. It sounds far-fetched, but if they were designing or creating a biological weapon, this would be the best way to do it, because now everybody in the United States has taken some sort of drug from China, would be at risk of this virus infecting us even more. Perfect, like Trojan horse. This is perfect. Let's, we have 80% of U.S. drugs. Let's put something in each one of those drugs, so when we create the coronavirus 10 years later, everybody will have some sort of anti-coronavirus antidote in them. I'm not using the correct term, but whatever that is. So when the coronavirus goes out, none of their antidotes or none of their vaccines will work, because we put something in their bodies already prior to us creating this virus. You never know. You never know. These people are freaking nuts. They'll think of anything to become world power, world leader. Please be safe, people. I want you guys to be 100% safe. Wear gloves if you have to. Do antibacterial soap, antibacterial cream, whatever you need to do. Find masks as you can find them. Create your own if you have to. If you feel paranoid, whatever, I want all my subscribers, all my viewers, I want everyone to be safe. I don't want anything to happen to anybody. Believe it or not, yeah, I do. Even though I don't know you, who's ever watching this video, I do care about you, because you're still a person. You're still someone. You still have a voice. You are here for a purpose. And we love you. Be safe. And JoeteckTips wishes the best for everyone. Take care, and we'll see you next time.